Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 12th December 2024. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, there is an unlimited income to be earned by studying the study that the Father teaches you. Therefore, continue to study well and never allow the link of your study to break. Question: which points of yours are laughed at by those who have non-living intellects at the time of destruction? Answer: when you tell them that the time of destruction is very close, they laugh at you. You know that the Father will not just continue to sit here. It is the Father's duty to make you pure. When you have become pure, this old world will be destroyed and the new one will come. The war ahead is for destruction. When you are deities, you cannot enter this dirty, iron-edged world. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Imbibe the jewels of this knowledge and become Roop and Basant. Use the jewels of this knowledge you are given to win the lottery of the sovereignty of the world. Number 2. At this time of destruction, you must have love for the Father and stay in remembrance of the One. You must not act in any way for which you would have to repent at the end and cry about your fortune. Blessing for today. May you be constantly loving and thereby receive the blessing of the flying stage, thereby becoming carefree with your victory guaranteed. Details are: loving children receive the blessing of the flying stage from Bap Dada. You can reach Bap Dada in a second with the flying stage. No matter in what form Maya comes, she will not even be able to touch you. No shadow of Maya can go under God's canopy of protection. Love transforms effort into entertainment. Love enables you to experience victory to be guaranteed in every action, and so you loving should children remain carefree at every moment. Slogan is: remain constantly unshakable with the awareness of nothing new, and you will continue to dance in happiness. Om Shanti.